All right, when you're installing the arm, you'll notice that there's a spacer plate that's part of the kit. It has a little back cut on it, and that makes it easy for you to identify which corner lines up with the corner on the helper arm. And when the helper arm is installed on the TC-950.1, this will be the right side helper arm. Arm number 1 comes pre-wired with the air line passing through a wire loom. You'll see that in there. That'll be connected to the tower itself, or in other words, the arm itself. Arm number 2 is the Techno roller arm, and that one gets either the Techno roller, which we're going to put here, or the bead depressor tool that you see there. We're putting that on next. I wanted to make this video to put online so that folks that are building these don't go bonkers. What's going to happen next is once we air power up this cylinder, we put air to it, this pneumatic cylinder is going to extend up inside this coupler, and then we'll put the bolt in. The bolts are, what is this, 2.5 inches long, roughly 2.5 inches long hex bolt. You got 3 of these, 1, 2, and this will be number 3 in a couple minutes.